This video tutorial I will explain what is AWS S3 Select. Imagine you have a huge bucket of files like a spreadsheet, text files or logs stored in Amazon S3. But you only need a small piece of data from one of those files. Normally you would download the entire file, then you will search through the entire file, which takes time, effort and bandwidth. AWS S3 Select is like a smart tool that helps you grab only specific data you need directly from the file in S3 without downloading the entire file. Now we will see the simple example of AWS S3 Select. Let us say you have a huge spreadsheet with thousands of rows about customers, and you only want the names of the customers from the particular city. Without S3 Select, you would download the entire file, open it, and then search for the required rows. With S3 Select, you tell AWS what specific data you want, and it pulls only relevant rows for you, which saves time and resources. Now we will see how does AWS S3 Select work. Step 1 is store files in S3. Upload your data files to Amazon S3. Second step is ask for specific data. Use a simple query to specify what data you need. For example, give me all rows where the city is New York. Third step is get only what you need. AWS S3 Select will scan the file, pick out the specific data that you asked for, and send back just that part without downloading the whole file. Why AWS S3 Select is useful? First point is saves time. You don't need to download the large files to find what you are looking for. Next point is saves money, reduces bandwidth and processing cost because you only get data you need. Next point is easy to use, works with simple queries like SQL that anyone can learn quickly. Next point is fast. AWS does the searching for you and gives you the result much quicker. Now we will see key use cases for S3 Select. First one is analyzing data. Pull only specific rows from a large data file for analysis. Next one is filtering logs. Extract errors or warnings from big server logs. Next one is working with large data sets. Grab small portion of data for testing or reporting. Next one is cost efficiency. Avoid unnecessary data transfer cost when working with large files. We can think of AWS S3 Select as asking a librarian to fetch only specific pages you need from a very thick book instead of handling you the entire book. It makes working with large files much faster and easier. Here you can see ROM bucket 12345. Click on this bucket and it has one JSON file, and it has user data. Suppose you want to get all the names where age is greater than 30, then you can use S3 Select. Select this, click on Actions. Here, click on Query with S3 Select. And here you can write the query and select specific rows. To run the query, click on this button. And here you can see the query result. When you try to query a CSV file which is stored in S3 bucket using S3 Select, and if you are encountering this error, like error using S3 Select, the specified method is not allowed against this resource, then what is the reason we will see. We are getting the error because AWS has made decision to close new customer access to Amazon S3 Select. Amazon S3 Select will work for the existing customers. This error will occur if your account or bucket was created after July 25th, 2024.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.